Okay, we got a little baby bird learning to fly.
Oh, she only wants me to touch it.
No. Trying. Made it to the other. Oh, it's so cute. Look. Wait a minute. Wait, Kara. I want to get a real good
Maybe he
picture.
only wants me to touch it. No one knows. I think it's in my hand.
Look at that little one.
Can I try doing the picture? What?
No.
No, there's no.
Isn't he cute? Say, hey, I'm trying to fly. I'm learning to fly. Okay, back out, Cece.
Didn't really.
Okay.
Flying lesson did not take.
All right.
I think I found its nest over there. I don't know.
We don't know where his nest is, but he just goes little pieces at a time.
Oh, I can touch it. It didn't let go.
Back off, Cece.
It's not afraid of me. I'm going on the grass.
Easy. No, you're going to be in his way. Out of the way.
Hi, you. It only likes me. Hi. Don't touch it. It's scared of you. That's mine? No, it's my bird. It loves me. It loves all of us.
Nobody owns a wild animal. Oh. Hey, he made it that far. That's farther than what he went. He just can't seem to go high.
He can go far, but he can't go high.
Yeah, he can go a good distance.
The baby bird is trying, man. It's trying to fly, but it can't.
Okay, it's got some nice yellow in the leaves. In the wings. Okay, too many people all at once. Back up.
Oh, so cute. You're furry.
Okay, out of the sun. Kayla.
Sun.
Oh, it loves me.
It loves Kara. It loves Kara. Try to pick the bird up.
I don't want to freak it. Oh.
A little bit more. Just a little.
Like, what are you doing?
Give him room. Give him room. Back up, Kayla.
Are you going to kill me?
Oh.
Are you going to kill me? Stop.
No, we don't use those words.
It's a baby.
He's trying.
Never try to fly. Trying to fly, but its wings are not strong enough.
Oh, not quite to the tree. Almost. Went on the tree. Didn't go up to a branch. Okay, out of the way, Cece.
Oh, you're going to fall, buddy.
Okay, be ready in case he does.
He's not gonna fall.
Well, he got a grip. Not a good grip.
Yeah, that grip is declining. That's grip. That's grip. That's good grip.
And his grip will make him survive. Not really good, though.
Audie can't.
I think he's safer if he's on the ground, but he wants to get up in a tree probably to be safer away from people.
Safer away from the cat.
Put it right.
The cat can climb the tree real fast.
Oh, yeah.
Did you put the cat in the house?
Yeah.
Yes.
He's not.
Good.
Audie's not.
Gotta give him a chance. He was
Can I
learning.
hold him? Look at him.
No.
Oh, he's so cute. Look at that little buddy. Oh.
Where should we put it?
I don't know. I don't know.
Can we put it in one of
I
the
can curl.
No.
But we don't have a little bird nest.
Did we put in one of these?
Remember that nest you have in your house?
How about that birdhouse right there?
There might be wasps in it, though.
No, I don't think so.
So, let's put the baby.
Where's the mom? Was it the...
The orange one's
I don't know.
smaller.
No.
The orange one's smaller.
This
so
one's
let's put in
yellow.
The orange one.
The orange
Then
one? Where's
there's
the yellow mom?
one.
We had a blue and a yellow one.
No, we have a red house over there. And the yellow one
That
here.
one used to be full of wasps.
So let's put in the orange one because it's smaller.
The orange one.
The orange one is smaller.
Okay, you're gonna have to let him try to fly.
So put him down on the ground. Put him down.
Yeah, go ahead, put him down over here. He'll be safer here.
Now try to make him fly.
No, put him down on the ground so he can try all by himself.
Not pit. Look.
Pet. Your pet now.
It's my pet. Well, you should feed it if the moms ain't here.
He's like, this is my mommy now. We make it worms. He's nice.
Yeah, I think.
Isn't he cute? So
Let's
cute.
find some worms. Let's find some worms.
He's little.
He's like, am I gonna fall or am I gonna live? Am I gonna fall or am I gonna fly? Go fly.
He's got to keep practicing. Then pretty soon his wings will be strong enough to take him somewhere.
Yeah,
he
but
fly
he's
to the
gonna be
sky.
hungry if the mom's not here.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, put him down somewhere and find some worms to feed him.
The
Put
heel
down,
might
put
take
down,
away.
put
We
down,
can't
put
feed
down,
him.
put down, put
Let him go.
Put him down. Put him down to the
We
ground.
got you.
Put him
Hey,
down
it's
to
my
the
pet
ground.
bird. Like I always wanted.
Keep
A parrot.
Haha, you can't have one in the house.
Put him down on the ground.
Okay, here you go, baby.
Okay, let him go. Give him room. Back up, Kayla.
No, they left.
Oh, maybe he wants to go visit them. Let him go by himself, though, if he wants, because he's got to be able to get out of there, too.
It's okay, buddy. Oh.
Can hear him. He says, well, I hear some more birds. Oh, he went on you.
He's like, you're so lovely. He's like,
Thinking it's a bird. I always wanted a parrot, but I got.
can I hold
bird.
it now?
Oh,
Almost. Oh, he almost made it to the branch. Oh, it's getting the side of the tree. Okay, everybody needs to leap back up. Too many people.
I can do it one-handed.
Climbing. Oh,
Oh, you're safe. He's
all right.
Look at that birdie.
Look.
Yay!
He's like,
There you go. All right.
I did
Finally,
one-handed.
I'm on a branch.
All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.
He's so cute.
I'm gonna